I'm Simpson, so I'm working in Standard Chartered Bank as a financial advisory team. So what I learned the most in this course is that this course offered me a very holistic view on data science on every aspect. So what is different with this course with other online courses is that the online course is just giving you a very technical point of view, like let's say Python, what do you learn with Python. But this course will give you a very bird's eye view so that you will know how to go into this career path. So you will get a lot of very good consultation and advice from the experts. So it is a very, very good course. I like this course very much. Thank you.